So we've been talking to one of our customers who's a global organisation, and they've got a vision which is really interesting. And what it is they want to break the paradigm of building lots of different models with different resolutions for the same region or the same mine. They've got this idea that we can have one model and we can just plug and play chunks out of that model. When we get more information, remodel it and put it back in, and just maintain this one version of the truth, this one model of that piece of the earth. And to do that today with a Vulcan or a data mine is pretty tricky, and to track the different versions and the different generations of different pieces of that volume. So, we've been talking to them about applying Model Manager in that space and developing a solution for that. And I think that's a really interesting idea and a really interesting trend, so to speak, because now we can start to see a world where bigger and bigger volumes of the earth have a dynamic model associated with them. It's 4D, there's a time aspect to what's happening in that model. People can see it evolve, and they know they've got the best information possible at any point in time that they can extract from the database.
I don't know if it's worthwhile talking about, but I think what we're going to see is we'll also see Model Manager potentially morph over time, because data like point cloud data, surfaces, etc. We're already integrating surfaces into Model Manager, so it's becoming far more than just block model management. And I think that trend will continue.
And that's why we call it Model Manager, not Block Model Manager. Yeah. And because Model Manager, it's agnostic to the data type. It doesn't care. It's an analytical database system. You can put any sort of data in there. And again, that opens up all sorts of possibilities. Talking about that one model for a region, well, in the same database, we could store all the drill holes. We could store all the wireframes of the geology, of the topography, and have it all accessible in one database system.